So what did really work well? So a lot of people find it hard to raise, even they're in crypto space, they find it really hard for them to raise the capital or sell off a particular part. So what really was the, let's say, top two reason helped your team or Kenny's and all together could half him? Billion USD in that short period of time.
Sure. So I think the first thing is, again, I think I said earlier, the same thing here. Let the product speak for itself. So even before Kenny launched his NFTs, he already have a working beta demo of the metaverse. So like actual Times Square on the metaverse. And then so people can walk around, flying on a hoverboard around the square, all that stuff. It's pretty cool. And he showed that to people, he showed it to his community, and they just loved it. It went nuts, went crazy. But I think it's go to the second thing is that the ability to talk to your fans, your community, like building a core group of believers. Because again, this is the same with running any startup, right? In the early stage, you want to build up your early users. Like maybe even 100 people, 200 people, 1,000 people is good. But the point, you have to have early users. You have to have early people who crazy enough to believe in your vision of your product, and not investors, like actual normal people who actually tried the product, loved it, and started telling people about it. So the network effect. And so Kenny's really good at that. Kenny and his team was really good at communicating the community, spreading the vision, spreading the message, inspiring people to join the Metaverse project as early users, early backers. So that's how they were able to raise $500,000 just from like selling NFTs, because NFTs have been not being sold to VC, not being sold to investors. As a matter of fact, Kenny told me that he actually turned down 6 offers to invest because he wanted to focus on the community part first, focus on empowering his community first. I think that's, and then the final thing is, VC. At a certain point of the project, when you get to a certain scale, when it's like have a sizable amount of users, then you need venture capital funds to help. And this is where crypto VC would come in, right? Because they have, especially you have like the top tier VC in the market, a guy like Animal Brand, Hashes, Alameda Research, and these guys, then they have a lot of network, they have a lot of insight, they have a lot of knowledge, and they have a lot of research teams in the space that can provide you with even further exposure, like not only in terms of branding, but also in terms of knowledge, so you can continue to grow your project. So I think those are the top 3 things I was thinking. And again, I know I said earlier that VC are not as important, but only to a certain stage. To scale, you kind of still need VCs.